Hello students, good evening. Today we are going to start our next exercise 2.4, and before the exercise 2.4 we have a new topic, and the topic is decimal expansion of rational numbers. So continue the topic. Decimal expansion of rational numbers. Okay, so we have a rational number P upon Q and Q not equal 0, where P or Q are integers. Okay, there are two types of decimal expansion. First is terminating decimal expansion, and second is non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay, so first part is terminating decimal expansion. If we have a rational number P upon Q and Q not equal 0, where P or Q are integers, then the denominator then if the denominator Q in the form of two power m or 5 power n and 2 power m multiply 5 power n, then the expansion will be terminating. Okay, for example, one upon 16. So the prime factorization of 16 will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So we can write in the form of 2 power 4, and the value of 1 upon 16 will be 1 upon 2 power 4, and the denominator is in the form of 2 power m, and the value of m equal 4. So 1 upon 16 is terminating decimal expansion. Okay, note the first part. Okay, our second part is non-terminating decimal expansion. If we have a rational number P upon Q, then the denominator of the fraction is not in the form of 2 power m, 5 power n, or 2 power m multiply 5 power n, then the expansion will be non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay, for example, 1 upon 18, and the prime factorization of the denominator 18 equal 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay, and we can write in the form of 2 multiply 3 power 2. So we can write in the form of 1 upon 18 equal 1 upon 2 multiply 3 power 2. So 2 multiply 3 power 2 is not in the form of 2 power m multiply 5 power n. So it is non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay, let's start the exercise 2.4, and the first question is without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Okay. Second name of non-terminating decimal expansion is repeating decimal expansion. Okay. When we divide 1 upon 18, then the value of quotient is repeating as 0.0555555. Okay, so it is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, and the first part in first question is 15 upon 1600. 15 upon 1600. We can write in the form of 15 upon 16 multiply 100. Okay, and 15 upon 2 power 4 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 5 power 2. Okay, 2 power 2 equal 4 and 5 power 2 equal 25. 25 4s are 100 and 2 power 4 equal 16. Okay, so the denominator of fraction is in the form of 2 power m multiply 5 power n. So the expansion will be terminate. Okay, second part is 13 upon 3125. Okay, so prime factorization of 3125 will be when divided by 5, then we find 625. Okay, when we divide 625 by 5, then we find 125. Again divide by 5, then we find 25. Again divide by 5, then we find 5, and the last factor of 3125 will be 5, and then we find 1. Okay, so we can write in the form of 13 upon 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Okay, and we can also write in the form of 3 upon 5 power 5. So the denominator of this fraction is in the form of 5 power n. So the expansion will be terminate. will be terminate. Okay. And next part of first question are same as first and second part, so do yourself. When we have other product in denominator with 2 power m and 5 power n, for example 13 upon 2 power 3 multiply 5 power 2 multiply 3 power 2, then the decimal expansion will be non-terminating. Okay. Second question is, write the decimal expansion of the following rational numbers and decide whether they are terminating or non-terminating. So the first part is 13 upon 125, and the first part is in second question 13 upon 125 and divide 13 by 125, then when we take point, then 130 1 time 125 and the remainder is 5, again take 0, then 4 time 500 and the remainder is 0, so the decimal expansion is 0.104 and it is terminate. Decimal expansion. Okay. Next both parts are same as first part, so do yourself. Our third question is, for the decimal expansion given below, decide whether this number is a rational number or not. If it is a rational number, then write your note about the prime factorization of its denominator. Okay. And the first part of third question is 0.120 1200 12000 124 times 0 and continuous as. Then we do not verify the number of digits after this point, then this decimal expansion is not rational number and non-terminate. Terminate. Okay. Second part is 43.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we can write in the form of, when we remove the point, then we can write in the form of 43 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 upon 1 0 0 0 9 times 0, and we can write in the form of 43 12 34 56 78 9 upon 10 power 9. Okay, and this 10 power 9 we can write in the form of 2 multiply 5 whole power 9. Okay, so the denominator, the fraction of expansion is a rational number and the prime factors of 10 power 9 in the form of 2 power m multiply 5 power n. Then the expansion will be terminate. Okay, and the last part of third question is 27.14 2857 bar. If we have bar of any digit, then the digit is repetition as 142857 142857 and continuously as. So in this expansion we don't verify the numbers of digits after point, then the expansion is not a rational number. Okay, it is non terminating decimal expansion. Okay, note the question.